How to make sausage and peppers pasta. Sausage and peppers pasta is delicious and easy to make. Here's how. What you need: 2 cups of penne pasta, 1 pound of your favorite sausage, 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, half a cup of chicken broth, 1 jar of pasta sauce, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Chop the onion. Step 2. Chop the bell pepper. Step 3. Remove the casings from the sausages. Step 4. To a large pot, add water and some salt and bring to a boil on high heat. Step 5. When the water boils, add the pasta, lower the heat to medium-high and boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Stir periodically. When the pasta is done, drain the water and set aside. Step 6. Preheat a large pan on medium-high heat and add the sausages. Step 7. Break up the sausages with a fork or spatula. Step 8. Add the onion and the bell pepper. Step 9. Cook until the sausage is brown and the vegetables are tender. Step 10. Add the spices. Step 11. Add the garlic and then stir for 30 seconds. Step 12. Add the broth and stir. Step 13. Add the pasta sauce and stir. Step 14. Add the Parmesan cheese, stir, lower the heat, and simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. Step 15. Add the pasta. Step 16. Stir well, remove from heat, and serve. Sprinkle more Parmesan on top and enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more tasty recipes every week. Bye for now.